Welcome to NEBO Unboxed. Today we are taking a look at one of NEBO's top premium lights, the Slyde King 4K. Immediately you can see the quality aluminum construction of this light. It's got some nice heft to it. The main spotlight is an incredibly bright 4000 lumen LED. But watch this. Rotate the head to zoom the beam from a wide flood to a tight long throw spotlight. Now here's where it gets really cool. Slide out the barrel and the 1000 lumen work light turns on automatically. You've got 7 total light modes to choose from, including the highest settings for the flashlight and work light, dim to the low modes for close-up tasks, and this night vision red light mode. And a red flashing mode for emergency situations. The dimming function lets you perfectly tune the brightness for any situation, and it even has power memory to save your last setting. This thing is built to last with an aluminum body, IPX7 waterproof rating. The magnetic base lets you easily mount it on any metal surface, and instead of disposable batteries, it's USB-C rechargeable. The Slyde King 4K gives you brilliant, endlessly versatile lighting that's always ready. The Slyde King 4K really does reign supreme as NEBO's top-of-the-line portable light. Thank you for watching, and visit the NEBO website to learn more. And please consider subscribing for more episodes of NEBO Unboxed.